Good day, everyone. We have exciting news from the world of automotive manufacturing. Toyota has officially begun production of the all-new Toyota CHR, and it's more than just a vehicle rolling off the assembly line. Let's dive into the details. The Toyota CHR has always been known for its striking and unique design, setting a styling benchmark in the European CSUV segment. The new model, designed to make an even more powerful style statement, has been crafted with European customers in mind. For our friends in the UK, you'll have the opportunity to choose from 3 electrified powertrains. You can opt for the 1.8 and 2.0-liter hybrid electric models, which are available for order right now, or you can hold out for the 2.0-liter plug-in hybrid electric version, coming your way in spring 2024. Now, what's particularly impressive is the manufacturing facility in Sakarya, Turkey. Toyota has invested a substantial €308 million to upgrade the plant. This makes it Toyota's first European center for plug-in hybrid vehicle production. It's equipped to assemble up to 75,000 battery units each year. But Toyota's commitment doesn't stop at the production line. They have their sights set on achieving full carbon neutrality in Europe by 2040 and are targeting carbon neutrality in all their European manufacturing facilities by 2030. The Toyota CHR plant is taking significant steps towards these goals. They've implemented various measures to minimize energy consumption, including innovative paint shop technologies that reduce CO2 emissions, zero-carbon ventilation systems, and the utilization of solar energy. This isn't just about cars. It's about a sustainable and environmentally conscious approach to manufacturing, aligning with the global shift towards a greener future. So, keep your eyes on the roads for the all-new Toyota CHR as it hits the streets, embodying cutting-edge design and a commitment to a cleaner, more sustainable world. That's all for today's automotive news. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of cars and beyond.